Hello friends, welcome back to the channel. So today we are going to have a look at the iPhone 8 Plus. So without any further ado, let's jump into the smartphone and have a look at it. So here is the box of the iPhone 8 Plus. So first let's have a look at the box. So over here is the photo of the back side of the iPhone 8 Plus. Over the side, iPhone logo, Apple logo, iPhone branding, same Apple logo, iPhone branding. So it comes with the same usual simple packaging of the Apple. So it retails for around 77,560. So now let's open the smartphone. So this is the most satisfying thing that I feel when I open an Apple box. So here is designed by Apple in California. Over here is the Apple stickers to the SIM tray tool, ejecting tool. Over here is the welcome to iPhone guiding tool, how to open it and all. That's it, nothing else. So let's keep this aside and have a look at the main phone now. So over here is a smartphone. I had already opened it and just booted it up and set it up, so it becomes easier when I show it to you guys and while making the video. So let me keep that aside and have a look at what more comes in the box. So here is the power brick, the AirPods and the dongle life. And over here is the lightning to USB charging cable. So let's keep this inside and have a look at it, the main smartphone now. So over here is the main smartphone. So let's have a look at the smartphone. So over here, this side, you get the charging port, the dual speaker ports. Over this side, the SIM tray and the power key. On the top there is nothing. Over this side is the silent to the ringer key, and over here is the volume rocker. On the back side you have the amazing glass and the dual camera setup with the flash. So now let's open this. I hope you can hear this noise of the wrapper I am removing. Amazing, I love it. So let me open the smartphone. So this is the amazing smartphone, as you guys can see. So on the top you have a 7 megapixel camera, front facing camera. Here is a fingerprint reader. On the back side you have a glass, and on the front side also you have a glass. So over here is the dual camera setup with one with the 1.8 aperture and the other with the 2.8 aperture. So which is like autofocusing and all with the feature, and it can also record videos up to 2160 frames per second at 24, 30 and 60 frames per second, and 1080 pixels at the rate 30, 60 and 240 pixels frames per second, sorry. So that's it, and it has a A11 Bionic chip, which is the latest one, and it has a lovely 5.5-inch screen with a 1080 by 1920 pixel or ratio and 16 by 9 ratio. So it comes with IPS 67 resistance and dust and water resistance up to 1 meter for 30 minutes. That's it guys, nothing more. So there are many other features also, like it has got a frame and the glass body and the wireless charging, and over here is the fingerprint scan with the stereo speakers and So it has got a non-removable battery of 2691 ampere, and it comes in 3 colors: gold, silver, space gray, and the latest one which was just released, that is the red color. So the screen is almost the same, just the bezels make this iPhone 8 Plus look much bigger. This color, golden color, new, it looks lovely. As I can't say like it actually is a gold or a peach color. So that's all, guys. This was the unboxing and the overview of the iPhone 8 Plus. So let me know how you feel in the comment section below, and subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. Thank you, guys.